Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best tool chests that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Goplus 6-drawer rolling tool chest. Most tool chests with reasonable storage capacities are quite wide, meaning you need a fairly large garage or worksite to hold them. But if space is an issue, you'll appreciate the upright configuration of the Goplus 6-drawer rolling tool chest. Instead of the typical 41 or more inches in width, this tool chest measures just 23.5 inches across, so it'll slip into a fairly narrow spot with ease. The sturdy, cold-rolled steel tool chest has a large cabinet with a door, providing the perfect spot to stash your larger tools and supplies. Moving on at number 4, we have the Milwaukee 11-drawer 61-inch mobile workbench. When creating the ideal workshop, you can't go wrong with a wall organizer or pegboard. With the Milwaukee 61-inch 11-drawer mobile workbench, you get not only a large steel tool chest topped with a wooden workbench but also an attached metal pegboard, just waiting for you to hang storage bins, tools, and oddly shaped items. The tool chest has 11 lockable drawers, each with a 100-pound capacity. It also has an open cabinet with a shelf for larger tools or other items, a power strip with 6 outlets on the side for recharging your power tools, and an exterior shelf for other small items. At number 3, we have the Performance Tool 3-drawer roller seat. When doing work that requires crouching down low, which is often the case while working on your car, your legs and back can really get tired. That's when the Performance Tool 3-drawer roller seat really comes in handy. This ingenious product basically shrinks a typical tool chest down to the size of a stool. In fact, with the comfortable top pad, you can actually sit on this chest. The chest has 3 small drawers and 16 exterior storage slots to hold your tools as you work. 2 fold-down magnetic storage trays hold nuts, bolts, or other small items. With the drawers directly underneath you, as you sit, all you have to do is reach down to find and switch out tools. At number 2, we have the Tankstorm HeavyDuty rolling tool cart. With large, locking cabinet doors, 2 wide drawers, and a flat top surface, this rolling tool cart covers all your storage needs if you're looking for an under $300 model. The cart comes with a side tray and hooks that organize and hold hand tools like handsaws or hammers. The side tray also has screwdriver holes so you can store them upright instead of loose in a drawer. Take note of the included non-slip rubber mats that go inside the drawers and on the top surface. The mats provide extra grip for your tools and gear to prevent sliding and scratching against the steel. And finally at number 1, we have the Sunx Tools Premium Full Drawer Service Cart. With 6 different drawers varying in depth and a locking top cabinet, this tool chest has ample space for tools of nearly any size, although it might not accommodate your largest sledgehammers. Every drawer also comes with an EVA foam liner. The liner prevents tools from scraping against the metal drawers, and holds the tools in place when the chest is rolling. We also appreciate that the gas shocks that hold the top lid in place so it doesn't accidentally smack down on fingers. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.